Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we're gonna review Minolta 50mm lens, and this one is f1.7 aperture lens. So guys, this is having slightly more bigger aperture compared to the 50mm f1.8 lenses that Sony, Nikon, Canon makes. So this lets you in slightly more light and you can get more background blur with this lens guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's begin the video guys. So right now I'm having Sony A58 camera and I got this lens very cheaply along with a Minolta film camera. So the guy from whom I bought this camera, I got this for around 15 US dollar along with this lens. He didn't knew what to do with this lens, but I have a good knowledge about lenses and photography, so I know what exactly to do with this lens. So I bought that film camera and I took off this 50mm lens and then I tried it on my Sony camera because I know the Minolta autofocus camera, the film camera that was made in early 90s, they have the same mount that we have on Sony DSLR, exactly the same alpha mount, because Sony had purchased the Minolta company and they decided to use the same mount. So all the Minolta lenses, if there are autofocus lenses made by Minolta in the 90s, they would work perfectly fine on all the Sony DSLR camera. And you can also use this camera on Sony mirrorless cameras as well, which have E-mount. You just have to buy a adapter and the adapter is not that costly and you would get full functionality. Autofocus performance would be perfectly fine. You would get excellent image quality. So let's put this lens guy. It is a very nicely made lens. It is having a metal mount over here and it is not that heavy. It's around 200 grams and this mounts perfectly on the camera. The only downside with this lens is that because it's a slightly older lens, so the autofocusing is slightly slow and it makes a little bit of noise when you are autofocusing. So you can see, so it does make noise, but the autofocus is quite okay. If you have decent lighting condition, it is able to grab the autofocus perfectly fine. And since the aperture is 1.7, you can get very nice background blur with this lens. And this is a full frame lens, so you can use this on your full frame Sony E-mount camera as well with adapter. And if you are looking for this lens second hand, you can get this for 30 or 40 US dollar very cheaply guys. So now I'm gonna put onto the screen some of the photos that I've taken with this lens, and trust me guys, the image quality is excellent. There is no problem whatsoever. I got really great results with this nice little lens. It is an awesome lens guys. So now I'm gonna put a video footage onto the screen, the video that I've shot with this lens, and the video is really nice. I could get really nice background blur. The only thing is that I put it on manual focus because it makes crazy focus hunting noise. But if you are using for manual focusing, then no problem whatsoever. You can get great result with this lens. So guys, the movie that I'm making right now is using the 50mm lens and I'm trying to do the manual focusing because it makes a lot of focus hunting noise. So I'm trying to focus on this lens in front. So one good thing with A58 camera is that once you are in focus, it shows a green box in the middle. And now I am in focus and you can see once I'm in focus, the image looks really very nice and the background blur is amazing. This lens has really very creamy and very smooth background blur. So now I'm gonna try to focus on this guitar. So now this is in focus and it looks really sharp. Okay guys, you would have seen the video footage. It looks fantastic. So should you get this lens, definitely you can get this lens for around 30 or 40 US dollar or even cheaper if you are lucky. And you can use this on your full frame Sony camera, because if you decide to buy a native lens for the Sony E-mount, they are very costly guys. And most of the Sony full frame E-mount camera, they have in-body stabilization in them. So this would add an extra stabilization for this lens and you can get much more sharper results and you can shoot at even lower shutter speed guys. So I can definitely recommend this lens even if you want to buy it, because guys, there are so many older Minolta autofocus lens out there in the market which can be grabbed very cheaply and you can make really good use for them in both in video and photography as well guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like it and share it, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video, guys.